All right, guys, today we're gonna make some homemade turkey soup, and I have some turkey carcass here. I'm gonna put it in this pot right here, and we're gonna make a fresh turkey broth. All right, so we're gonna add some water so it almost covers all the turkey. All right, that's pretty good. And I chopped one onion right here. And a handful of carrots. And some celery. This is 2 celeries. All right, it's boiling right now, so now I'm going to simmer it. And I'm also going to add 2 bay leaves. And I'm going to sprinkle some salt. All right, now I'm going to add some seasonings. I have some rosemary and sage. Here's the sage. All right, I'm going to stir this a little bit. And guys, I think I'm going to simmer it for maybe 45 minutes. And let's see what we have after that. All right, guys, I simmered this for about 45 minutes to an hour, so it looks pretty good. So I think what I'm going to do now is strain it. All right, so I strained it, so I'm going to add some celery. This is about 2 celeries right here. Also some carrots, about 2 carrots, and half an onion. So I'm just going to boil this. All right, now it's bubbling. I'm going to add 2 bay leaves. 1, 2. Going to sprinkle some salt. And pepper. Also going to add some garlic. All right, next I'm going to add my turkey. All right, now I'm going to add 1 cup of macaroni. And I'm just going to turn the heat up a little bit until the macaroni is done, and it's done. All right, guys, I think it's done. The macaroni is nice and tender, cooked really well. It looks really good, guys. I can't wait to try it. All right, guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I made homemade turkey soup. I'm super excited. And we're also going to try Martellani's apple juice. I got this from Whole Foods. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper on here, even though I added some salt and pepper. Might add a little bit extra to add some extra flavor. And let's try it out, guys. Homemade turkey soup. I'm excited. I had some carrots, celery, onion, turkey, elbow macaroni. Mmm. That's very good. Yeah. Nice soup. It's really good with the elbow macaroni. I saw a couple recipes on YouTube. I kind of just mix a couple together, but I don't know. I like when the guy did elbow macaroni on here in this turkey soup. It's really good. Yeah, it's really good. So I'm filming this on Sunday. I was going to film this on Saturday, but I just didn't have time to film. I didn't have time to do the turkey broth and the soup and go to work in the same day. So I do have to go work at 5 p.m., but I did have time to make, I did my laundry today, and I also had time to make the soup for you guys. So it's kind of a lot of work to make the soup because I didn't have time to do it in one day when I had to work. I work every day. I don't have a day off, but I haven't decided if I should make the turkey casserole tomorrow or not, because I don't know. I have to think about that. I made the turkey on Wednesday, and today is Sunday. I don't know how long turkey can last in the refrigerator, so I have to research that, and I don't know if I want another turkey dish tomorrow. or not. So I do want to film at least one more video tomorrow. So, yeah. It's pretty good. Yeah. It's great soup when you're sick. So anyways, today is Sunday, guys. And I did work this weekend at my cashier job. Now Thursday, Thanksgiving Day, was really, really busy, especially at 6 p.m. They had the major sale. 6 to 9 was just crazy busy. Saturday I worked yesterday. It wasn't that busy. Friday I worked, wasn't really that busy. I was really surprised. But I'm glad it wasn't that busy. Add a little more salt. Maybe a little pepper too. So yeah, I wasn't too busy this weekend, so that was really cool. But yesterday I just did really nice for a customer. He was asking an employee about, like, I guess his phone died, right? I guess this customer's phone died and he was going to call Lyft, but he couldn't because his phone was died, and he wanted me to call Uber for him. No, he wanted me to call a taxi guy or driver or whatever, and because his phone died. And so the customer, I guess the employee didn't help, wasn't going to help him. I don't know. But anyways, so I called 2 taxi companies. None of them responded. Maybe they're just busy. So then I was like, no, I have Lyft. I'm just going to call Lyft for him. And so when I called Lyft, I realized he wasn't going for like a couple miles, and it was about $10 to get there. And he's like, yeah, I have $20 to give you. And I was like, well, it's only 10. I was like, you know what? Let's forget about it. It's on me. So I did something really nice for a customer. I paid for his Lyft drive home, and it felt really good. So I'm actually really enjoying, doing nice things for people. I actually been having a lot of bad luck lately these days. I went to Whole Foods today, got some sage, and trying to clear my energy a little bit. Just, I don't know, having some bad luck. But yeah, this soup's really good. I'm gonna enjoy it. Yeah, I'm gonna freeze some. I'm gonna freeze some of the soup for later. I don't know if I want soup again tomorrow, but today I went to Trader Joe's and I got 2 salads. I got the barbecue salad. I forgot the other salad I got, but I got 2 salads. I'm gonna have that for tonight, and tomorrow I'm going to have a salad for lunch. So yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna film something. I don't know if I'm gonna film the turkey lasagna, the turkey casserole, or somebody wanted me to do Peruvian or some kind of food, Latin food or something. So yeah. Pretty good soup. I think it might need a little extra flavoring, like red chili flakes or red pepper flakes or something like that, but it's pretty good. It's really healthy, so if I ever get sick this year or next year or whatever, just take it out of the freezer and eat it. It's very good. So let me know, guys, how your holidays were and your Thanksgiving. I was a little depressed Thanksgiving, but I'm better now. So someone's asking me about depression. I don't really have depression. I have been sad a couple of days, especially this week, but I don't think I have I think when you have depression, you wake up feeling depressed. Yesterday I was feeling pretty good. I mean, today I was feeling pretty good. So I don't think I have depression, but I just been sad for a few days. You know, I think that's normal around holidays. This is really good with the macaroni. I really like it. Mm-hmm. Kind of done with turkey, with the soup and the turkey sandwiches I had. I don't even know if I want to make the turkey casserole. I'm kind of done with turkey. Mm-hmm. I feel like this is really filling. I don't know if it's the turkey or the broth or what. But it seems really filling. And believe it or not, I'm already full. Alright guys, that was amazing. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the cooking process as well as me eating it. A little short video today, but it was really good. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.